What is up, guys? It's Mike here. Today we're going to be looking at one of my newest trucks, or two newest trucks, out of the Double Down Showdown pack, or Demolition Showdown pack, whatever you guys want to call it. But here they are, so let's get into it. Alright guys, what's up? So basically I went to Target a couple days ago. I didn't get the footage of it, but they had basically every single Mix 2 Double Down Showdown pack. So I basically have the entire collection for at least the Double Down, so I'm going to be popping out these videos and basically just getting them. But anyway, here we go. We are currently looking at the Son-Uva Digger versus Mohawk Warrior, or Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, and this is really cool. When I used to watch Monster Jam all the time and everything when I was little, this truck used to be called an Escalade. I remember it had like spinners on it, and then eventually it would have like a Mohawk on it. So it's pretty cool. This truck actually ended up becoming, you know, something else, I guess. But like, it's cool. It's still around. Like, I just have all the memories of basically an Escalade. I think that was it. It was a black SUV and it had like spinners on it. That's all I remember. But anyway, getting to the truck, this is pretty cool. Basically, it's the same exact body style as Bounty Hunter and all the other SUV trucks. There were prototype pictures of this one with a blue like line or a purple line, blue or purple. I can't remember off the top of my head. But in this one I believe is the final version of it. I'm not too sure if there's different variations, and I'm not too sure if this one's gonna have its own singles release in Mix 3 or not. But this truck is pretty cool. I really do like the way it looks now. I think it looks awesome with the black chassis and the purple rims. I don't know, it's just something about black and purple that makes it pop. It's really cool. Now, the main thing with this truck is obviously it has a Mohawk. With this Mohawk, I don't know, it looks cool at first glance, and it's actually not like a rubber piece like El Toro's horns or the stop sign on Higher Education. It's actually like a plastic piece, and it's cool how they made it look like it's like flowing in the air. But I don't know, I feel like it's not. It looks like flames. It honestly looks like flames. If this was orange or painted like fire, you would never be able to tell if it was a Mohawk. So yeah, not don't know how I feel about that, but I do think it's cool. I think Spinmaster did an amazing job, at least trying to get that idea of like, it blowing in the wind as the truck is driving. So just like the ears on, I think it's Dalmatian maybe, how that's like flowing in the wind. I don't know. They might have to go back and just rework this for another version of this truck, but regardless, it's their first year. I'm gonna say it. You gotta. It's their first year, so they did an amazing job. I like the idea. I just wish it looked more kind of like a Mohawk and not like a black flame. So yeah, I don't know. But anyway, on the top, you see the head goes to both sides, so that's pretty cool. And that's Mohawk Warrior. Really nothing much more to talk about with it, but it is a cool design. I do love how they did that, and yeah, so that's pretty cool. I do like that truck. I love the black and purple. That really makes it pop. So, now, moving on to Son-Uva Digger. Now, there are a couple versions of this truck. I currently only have two versions of this truck, and this is basically the double down one, obviously. I have the single one from basically Mix 2, the singles, and the other version of the truck is the playset version. And honestly, I like the blue chassis on this one. I like the blue rims. If I can find a single one to compare it to. So, basically, this is the singles. I do not have the playset one. It's one of the last trucks I actually need. But, just looking at these two, they look identical, obviously. One of the main difference you'll notice with these is, obviously, the singles edition one has black rims. And another small detail, too. Actually, the fronts, I thought the fronts would be a little different. Actually, they might be. Maybe not. I can't really see a difference. Maybe you guys can. Nah. Actually, it looks like on the single edition, the grill might be a little bit bigger, not much. but it could also be my eyes playing tricks on me, but I really don't see a difference. Mainly, honestly, the difference with these two trucks is just one has black rims and the other has blue. That's really the only difference. Flames are the same, stickers are the same, everything's basically identical to how the other one looks. So if you guys can't find the the Mix 2 one, I know they're coming out now. A lot of places have them, and a lot of places at like Target and stuff like that has them a lot more than Walmart for some reason. I really don't understand why. But Target's really been delivering with a lot of trucks lately, and they haven't let me down at all. But this is pretty cool. I don't think there's a different version or variants of these Double Down packs out yet. If anyone's found any, maybe it's like the Monster Jam logo is black instead of gray. And on both these trucks, I think the Monster Jam logo is gray. Yeah, they are. So there could be a possible variant with the black Monster Jam logo. But as for like the truck colors, the truck design, I think it's basically all the same. These trucks are pretty rare, so if you find these, I haven't seen this pack again. I saw this that one day in Target, and I basically just jumped on it and got it. So hopefully you guys can find these pretty quick. I do really like Mohawk Warrior. I think that looks amazing. Son-Uva Digger, still kind of new to me, still kind of growing on me a little bit, but I do like it. I saw in another video on someone's channel that how this truck compared to like the old one, or the old Hot Wheels one, and Spin Master did an amazing job compared to that Hot Wheels one. So Spin Master, you guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up. And you know what? I'll see you guys next video. And these two trucks will be in the 6-lane racing series, which we will be doing in a little bit, hopefully. And hopefully that will get filmed and released soon too. So I'll be on the lookout for that. But yeah, as my review on these two trucks, they look amazing. They roll great. And another weird thing with this Mix 2 tires, I don't know if they did something to the tires, but they're really shiny. I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but for some reason they are just really, really shiny. But anyway, guys, wanted to get this video out. Hopefully you guys can find these trucks soon. They're well worth it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.